Our planet is full of wonders, some breathtaking, others utterly mysterious. From stone circles older than recorded history to deserts where fire burns endlessly beneath the sand, there are places that continue to defy logic and explanation. Today, we journey across the globe to explore 10 mysterious places that still puzzle scientists, even in our age of technology and discovery.
Stonehenge, England. On the vast plains of Wiltshire, England, stands one of humanity's oldest enigmas, Stonehenge. Built over 5,000 years ago, this massive circle of stones has captivated historians, engineers, and dreamers for centuries. Each stone weighs up to 25 tons, and some were transported from quarries nearly 200 miles away. How was this possible in an age with no cranes, no wheels, and no modern tools? Even today, no single theory can fully explain it. Some believe Stonehenge was a temple aligned with the sun, a calendar to track solstices and equinoxes. Others say it was a burial site, a healing center, or even a place for ancient astronomical rituals. Whatever its purpose, Stonehenge remains a silent witness to an age shrouded in mystery.
The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. Between Bermuda, Miami, and Puerto Rico lies a patch of ocean known as the Bermuda Triangle, or as sailors once called it, the Devil's Triangle. The legend began in 1945 when 5 U.S. Navy planes vanished during a training flight. A rescue aircraft sent after them also disappeared. No wreckage was ever found. Since then, countless ships and planes have gone missing here under perfectly calm conditions. Compasses fail, communication breaks down, and vessels vanish without distress calls. Scientists have proposed several explanations: magnetic anomalies, methane gas eruptions, even rogue waves, but none explain every case. Whether natural phenomenon or something beyond science, the Bermuda Triangle continues to guard its secrets deep beneath the waves.
In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of miles from any continent, lies Easter Island, known locally as Rapa Nui. It's home to nearly 1,000 colossal statues, the moai, each carved from volcanic rock and placed across the island's wind-swept hills. Some of these figures stand over 30 feet tall and weigh as much as 80 tons. But who built them? And how did a small, isolated society move such massive stones across rough terrain without wheels or animals? Archaeologists believe the statues represented deified ancestors meant to watch over the living. But the mystery doesn't end there. Recent underwater exploration near Easter Island has revealed over 160 species of marine life, half of which were previously unknown, making the area as mysterious below the surface as it is above.
In the arid desert plains of southern Peru stretched the Nazca Lines, vast drawings etched into the ground over 1,000 years ago. From the air, they form gigantic images: a hummingbird, a monkey, a spider, even a human figure waving to the sky. How and why did ancient people create designs so massive they could only be seen from above, centuries before flight was even possible? Some researchers believe they were offerings to the gods, while others think they mapped the stars or marked underground water sources. Despite their exposure to the harsh desert environment, the lines have survived almost perfectly preserved, as if the earth itself protects its secret message.
The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Over 4,000 years old,
The Great Pyramid of Giza is the last standing wonder of the ancient world, and perhaps the most mystifying. Built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, it originally stood 146 meters tall, made from over 2.3 million limestone blocks. Each block weighs several tons, yet the joints between them are so precise you can't slip a piece of paper between the stones. How did ancient builders achieve such perfection with primitive tools? No written records describe the construction methods, and modern experiments have only partly recreated their techniques. The pyramid's alignment with the stars, its mathematical precision, and the mysteries of its inner chambers make it a timeless riddle carved in stone.
The Devil's Sea, Dragon's Triangle, Japan. Across the Pacific from the Bermuda Triangle lies its eastern twin, the Devil's Sea, or Dragon's Triangle, off the coast of Japan. For centuries, sailors have told stories of ghost ships, disappearing vessels, and glowing lights beneath the waves. Japanese legends speak of a sea dragon that drags ships to the ocean floor. In the 1950s, even a Japanese research vessel investigating the region vanished with its entire crew. Some scientists link these disappearances to volcanic activity and sudden sea quakes, but others remain unconvinced. The Dragon's Triangle continues to blur the line between myth and mystery.
The door to hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert lies a fiery pit that's been burning for over half a century. Locals call it the door to hell. In 1971, Soviet engineers drilling for natural gas accidentally caused the ground to collapse, forming a crater nearly 200 feet wide. To prevent the spread of toxic methane, they set the gas on fire, expecting it to burn out within a few weeks. That was over 50 years ago, and it's still burning today. At night, the glowing pit lights up the desert like a portal to another world, a haunting reminder of how small human control really is against the forces of nature. From towering stone monuments to endless flames, these places remind us that even with all our knowledge, the world still holds secrets we cannot explain. They stand as monuments to mystery, where science meets legend and where imagination dares to wander. Perhaps one day we'll uncover the truth behind these wonders, but until then, they remain the world's greatest unsolved enigmas, timeless and endlessly fascinating.